Spinach, hailed as a superfood, packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants. But what if I told you that the way you're preparing it could actually increase your cancer risk? Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a shocking truth about spinach and how your cooking habits might be doing more harm than good. If you care about your health, stick around until the end, because this information could change the way you prepare this leafy green forever. Spinach is rich in essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. It's also packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known for protecting against chronic diseases. But as powerful as spinach is, improper preparation can turn it into a potential health hazard. Here's the issue. Spinach contains high levels of natural compounds called oxalates. When consumed in excess or prepared the wrong way, oxalates can bind with calcium in your body, leading to kidney stones. But that's not all. Research suggests that when spinach is heated to extremely high temperatures, especially through frying or grilling, these oxalates can transform into harmful compounds that may contribute to an increased cancer risk. Shocking, right? Spinach is also high in nitrates, which are generally safe and even beneficial. However, when nitrates are exposed to high heat, like in frying or reheating spinach-based dishes, they can convert into nitrosamines, compounds that are linked to certain types of cancer, including gastric and esophageal cancers. So, how can you safely enjoy spinach without worrying about these risks? Here are a few tips. 1. Steam or sauté lightly. Cooking spinach on low to medium heat preserves its nutrients and minimizes harmful transformations. 2. Avoid reheating spinach. Once cooked, eat it fresh. Reheating can promote nitrosamine formation. 3. Pair with vitamin C. Add lemon juice or tomatoes to spinach dishes to counteract potential harmful effects from nitrates. Remember, moderation is key. Even superfoods can become harmful when overdone. Spinach remains one of the healthiest foods out there when prepared the right way. By following these simple tips, you can continue to enjoy its benefits without the hidden risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and eye-opening facts. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.